Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change out your intercooler on a Honda Civic. I'm just going to be changing out with the factory one. You can see right here that the one that's on it got damaged pretty good, and I'm just going to be showing you how to swap it out. The first thing you do have to remove the front bumper, and I have a separate video on how to do that, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. And so once you have the bumper off, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this clip here, just like the bumper clips we took off earlier. Just going to pry up on the middle and pop it out. Same with the one right in here. And then come around to the passenger side here, and you can see there's this bracket right here that holds the intercooler in. I'm going to take a ratchet with a deep well socket with a small extension, and there's a bolt in behind here that holds the bracket on. It's a 10mm socket. And you don't necessarily have to take the bolt all the way out. You can just take it loose and then kind of flip the bracket to the side. And then I'm going to take these two bolts out right here. Again, those are 10mm bolts. And then come over to the driver's side, and we're going to loosen this bracket also. And again, just loosen it and pop it off the intercooler. And then remove these two 10mm bolts. And then just pull out on the intercooler, and it comes right out. And I just got the new intercooler from a Honda dealership. And when you put your new one on, you want to make sure that you swap over this rubber gasket. Just pull out on this tab and then transfer it over to the new intercooler. And same with the other side. And transfer these over to the new one. And go ahead and just put it back in the opposite way of taking it out.